Thinking about making a move and just curious about what your budget might get you? Well, today we're live shopping Alpharetta, Georgia homes under $500,000. Let's go. I'm Marquise Hardy with Keys by Marquise, and I help people buy and sell homes all across Georgia. Today we're looking at Alpharetta homes under $500,000. I'm imagining we're going to see a lot of condos, a lot of townhouses, and a few single family homes that may need updates. So let's just check it out. Okay, perfect. We got $499, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Let's check it out, see what we got. Okay, we've got a 2-car garage right off the bat, which is nice. 2-car garage going straight into the kitchen off like the first listing photo. I love that we have a gas stove. I love to cook. That's kind of one of my many things. You can obviously see what's going on over here, but I love to cook, and I love this window over the sink. I really like the floors. I can't tell if it's LVP or hardwood. We're gonna take a look through the photos first, and then we'll look at the listing description and see what we can find out. Okay. Dining room. You don't see a lot of dining rooms. They're cutting out dining rooms in these new constructions. So obviously this home is a little bit older, so we can tell that off the bat. I don't know what age it is. Let's guess. Leave it in the comments. I'm gonna guess it was 06. Scroll. Been on the market for 95. Yeah, I think the bathroom was our giveaway for that, but it's okay. 1995, $67 a month for HOA fees. So that's like $804 a year, something like that. You can check my math. Let me know if I was right in the comments. All right, let's get into the next one. See if we can find one. This looks brownstone-y. Let's check this one out. Come on, classic brownstone. What's up? I didn't read that ahead of time. I recognize it looks like I did, but I did not. All right. I like the way it is from the front. I like it already. The Huxtable family lived in a brownstone. Okay. I'm with that. See, I can't tell if that's generator or if that's real. That's a concern for me. Bruh, we've got another gas stove. All right. The shutters. That's nice. Love the touches. You can tell this isn't just like builder grade stuff. Like this looks good. I appreciate this already. How do you feel about stainless steel appliances? You might not even be able to keep them. Don't worry about that. We've got some in-ceiling lights, some recessed cans. Okay, interesting. Okay, more shutters. Nice. I love that there's shutters and not blinds. That really heightens the space. It elevates it nicely. Is this the same fireplace? Yeah, I think the fire is just implanted. I think the fireplace itself is real. Let's see. All right. This is like the North Point area. Are we a 22 zip code? Yeah, 22. All right, cool. Let's see. We got real wood flooring, which is tasteful. All right. Cozy fireplace. There we go. Open floor plan. We got stainless steel appliances, gas range, microwave, garbage disposal. Okay. Just off the kitchen, a rear balcony provides the ideal spot to unwind outdoors. The main level primary suite features new carpet, an ensuite bath, separate soaking tub, and shower. One of my dreams, I'm a large individual, okay? I want a gigantic bathtub. All right, let's see. Anything else of note? 32 days on the market. 0.32 acre lot. $296 monthly HOA fees. I didn't check the last property. That's going to be something that you're probably going to experience when you're dealing with a townhome. So you can put that down in the oof column. 296 times 12. What is that? 592 times 6. 3,000. Something like $3,558. I think I'm off on that one, but I'm in the ballpark. That's a lot of money. Okay. All right, let's see if we can find our next listing. Okay, I've actually looked at this property. I think this is the best deal in Alpharetta right now. Okay, this is a KW property, 26 days on the market, 0.46 acre lot. And what don't you see? You don't see any HOA. No homeowners association. That's another reason to me This is one of the best deals in Alpharetta. All right, let's take a look. 2-car garage. I just like the way it looks, and I like a ranch. Maybe I'm this lazy, and I don't have to worry about forgetting my phone upstairs. I can just not go upstairs. Let's get into it. Okay, we're inside. Fireplace. Boom. It feels cozy to me. You would think this is my listing. It's not, but it just looks cozy off the bat. Okay, bruh, another gas stove. We're 4 for 4. Boom. Okay, keep going. We're back outside. They're like, hey, look, gas stove. Because it is a big deal. It's a gas range. Pardon me. Back in the living room. So I guess it was virtually staged. This little shelf is cute. I don't know what it's for, but I like that. This is a great place for an espresso machine if you're about that life. I am indeed about that life. Lots of cabinets. And the window over the sink. Okay. Oh, nice sitting dining area or breakfast nook. Virtually staged again. We should have like virtually staged buttons, you guys. Like a little thing. This is virtually staged. I saw a property that we thought there was a swimming pool there. No swimming pool in sight. The client was like, hey, where's the swimming pool? I'm like, yeah, it's on this side of the backyard. Baby, I went outside looking like a goof. No swimming pool in sight. Bruh, the photos look so real. Okay. Ooh, the twilight photos though. The moon's like, what up? All right, I like this. Let's check out the description to see if we can find any information. Yep, location. Told you. Boom. Forsyth County. Boom. 32. Georgia 400. Exit 12. Where's the Halcyon? It's got to be here somewhere. Halcyon. Boom. Halcyon. It's a huge selling point, you guys. This is my opinion for best deal in Alpharetta. All right, let's keep going. Ooh, what have we here? See what I mean off the bat? We didn't even start on the outside because this inside was enough to capture my attention. And because you guys are hanging out with me, it captured our attention too. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. I go back. Really dig this backsplash. That's doing something for me. I dig that a lot. All right, keep going. Okay, this is interesting. One of those ranch-style townhouses. You don't see those a lot. All right, I think I see. Let me hold my thought. Okay, cool. Frameless shower again. It's just nice, man. I love that shower head. It's like the closest thing you get to a rainfall shower without putting it above you and mounting it at the ceiling. Love that. Ceiling fan, okay. It's a nice blue. It feels beachy. This whole place kind of feels beachy. Okay. Oh, again, the tile. Look, you guys, I'm a tile fan. Not necessarily on the floors, but like this in the shower, I dig that. The backsplash was fire. There's a there's a tile company called Fire Clay, I believe. Can't wait to buy all their stuff. I really like this color. Again, I think it goes with the beachy theme. This feels pretty seafoam green to me. Let's keep going. Okay, these have seen many precedencies. Okay, we're in the back? Looks frontish to me. It's probably the front. I don't really know. Honestly, I don't know. I still don't know. The front has a courtyard, maybe? I dig it, whatever it is. I'm always down for the outside. Okay, got the garage. Here we go. That's a better depiction of the townhouse vibe we've got going on here. Oh, it's just like you and a homie. I'm with that. Upgrades. We were built in 99. Yeah, definitely remodeled. I like this. This is nice. Let's see if we can find one more that we want to check out before we bounce out of here. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Let's get into it. All right. Can you guys see that? Let me zoom in a little bit. All right. Let's zoom out. Okay. I wonder if those are real floors. Open, very open. All right, so this looks pretty dang new. I didn't see the year it was built. Frameless shower again. Cheers to all the frameless showers, man. Oh, we got a window in the closet. That's a nice touch. I'm just a huge fan of natural light. So when you can put a window anywhere, I'm with that. I mean, you have to be aware that there's a window in there too. It's a closet. Bathroom. I like the mirrors. I'm not actually sure what's going on. Where this is versus where this is. I wonder if there's a floor plan that we can look at. Love the windows, man. Those are huge. It's giving city vibes. Stackable washer and dryer means we're clearly conserving space. Okay, so 195 days on the market. That's a long time. $265 a month for HOA fees. 530 times 6. $3,180 a year. I think that's right. We're gonna go with that. So the property that I said was the best deal in Alpharetta, in my opinion, I think definitely still wins. It's this one right here at $440, 10K price drop. This to me is the best deal in Alpharetta, but I'm interested. What do you think was the best deal according to the ones that we saw today? That one was it for me. It could be something completely different for you, but I would love to know. Let me know in the comments what you're looking for. I'd be glad to help you look and seek and find whatever you're looking for. And let me know what city you want us to do a live shopping for next. My name is Marquise Hardy, and same is here on Instagram and TikTok. You can find me at Keys by Marquise. I'll see you next time.